Hi everyone, my name is Imani Elsie and I'm a junior here at Clayton State majoring in healthcare management. I also serve as the community service chair for Transfer Student Association, better known as TSA. TSA is an organization that was developed to help transfer students move into their new institution smoothly. Our three main focuses are social involvement, student development, and community service. During the pandemic, TSA hosted events such as Virtual Bingo Night in collaboration with CEC, Laker Village Cleanup Service Project, and revamped the Bent Tree, where we were able to invite members of AmeriCorps to join as well. Students really enjoyed our virtual bingo event, and we even had some faculty members to join just to fellowship with students. Our service events were also an enjoyment because it's always a good way to fellowship while giving back to our community and campus. It is important to make sure that the student body is engaged during the pandemic because the pandemic has already caused so much isolation. We need to feel some sort of feeling of community at Clayton State, and the only way that we can continue to foster the feeling of community is by student organizations such as TSA, putting on events and keeping our student body active even though our current situations may make that difficult. TSA will continue to serve our student body at Clayton State by offering programs and events that will foster our students socially and academically. We will have events where students are able to come out and meet other students at Clayton State and build those needed relationships. We will also have community service events and student development events for our students as well. To keep up with our events and programs, please follow us at Clayton State _TSA so that you don't miss out.